cooking. Listen, if you want a exquisite buffet, why don't you let us do it for you? Why don't you go online to simplygoodcooking.com. Check us out. Getting ready to do Simply Good Cooking. Today we actually have a culinary competition. These people have signed up for the best new products, the best new recipes for advanced cooking. Come on in, let's take a look at Simply Good Cooking at Washburn Culinary. I don't know, can you just take a couple shots of what they're doing?
Hi, how are you? I'm Marlene. What is your name?
You check those boxes?
No dressing because I think of everything should be natural. You got the beets in there, you got the apples, and the sugar and everything to spice it up. That's what I'm saying. And then it's gonna give you energy. And all the little stuff that go. Give me energy, those look good, and my body look good. And then also reason why I got you 100, I lost 20 pounds and I love eating fruits and vegetables. You can eat the whole body. You don't even have to, it's like you can eat vegetables all day long. That's the thing. Go ahead, chef. Of course, why did you put the beets and the apples together? Why did I put the beets and apples together? Actually because of the sweetness. Because I don't use dressing on my salad. I like the apples and the beets for the sweetness. And it gives it a burst of hot. You gotta get that together. Okay. All right, chef.
Thank you.
No, you're so welcome. And thank you for judging.
What we got going on?
We have sweet heat habanero, there you go, sir. So I mix a little heat with a little sweet, and then hopefully mix it with a little dynamite and pow! I call it that just because you heat it. There you go. There you go. That is my plan.
And so you have a salmon. Is that Alaskan salmon or is that wild salmon?
This is No, I don't know. I believe it's Alaskan salmon.
It's Alaskan salmon.
Yeah. So, we will, plus it's on a bed of Brussels sprouts. So, you know, people don't like to usually, when they cook a vegetable with fish, they don't think of Brussels sprouts, but secret ingredient, the lemon. Lemon and lemon zest, you know, make it nice and tasty. We'll sweat those out. And, yeah, great.
Let's see who else we have. Okay, I got it. Hello. How are you, Chef Carter? What do we have going on over there?
Well, I'm making grilled pineapple.
First of all, what's your name?